Oh, not that way round though. There you go. Right, now do it. That's it. What's next? Turn it over, that's it. That's not on properly, that bit.
This page?
Yeah, push it down. It's better. You want it to point that way, darling. Pointing, that's it. Now you need some more bits. I don't think that one's going to fit in. Leave that one out, just put the other two bits in. They're going to fit. Turn it over the other way, darling. Got the next one, last one. That's right, no, that's right. Yep. Clever girl. And what have you made?
Look!
What did you say? Ta-da! Who's going on it?
Thomas.
Where's the station? Where's the tunnel?
Here's the tunnel. The tunnel needs to go here.
Mm-hmm.
Then the trains can go in it.
Who's that?
Percy!
Hey. What are the names? What are the other ones?
Honey, you can't hold your camera up.
I'm videoing you.
You can't video me.
Because Grandad Tom said, does Lily still play with the track? And what's the answer?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like best?
Whee! Everything.
Everything? That's really good. What are the names of the other engines?
Thomas, James, Percy.
Very good. Do you want to say anything to Grandad Tom?
Henry.
What do you want to say to Grandad Tom?
Thank you for giving me this.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Blow him a kiss. Oh, you got to look at the camera, darling. Lovely.